Qinux VultrioX is marketed as a powerful lawnmower that supposedly makes yard work faster, easier, and more efficient while delivering professional quality results. But the real question is, what's actually special about it? Or is it another heavily marketed lawn tool? Now, to be fair, modern lawnmowers have improved significantly in recent years. Features like lightweight designs, cordless operation, and compact storage can make mowing more convenient for many homeowners. What it does well may be lightweight and easy to handle. A lighter mower can be easier to maneuver around gardens, trees, and tight spaces. Could be convenient for small yards. Compact lawnmowers are often well suited for routine maintenance of smaller lawns, where the height falls apart. The marketing often sounds more revolutionary than the product. This is the biggest issue. Many heavily advertised lawn tools promote ordinary features, as if they are groundbreaking innovations. Performance depends on lawn size and conditions. A mower that works well on a small, flat lawn may struggle with thick grass, uneven terrain, or larger properties. Battery life may be limiting. If cordless, run time can become a concern for users with bigger yards. So, what's so special about the Qinux VultrioX? Short answer: it may offer convenience and ease of use, but there's little evidence that it represents a major breakthrough in lawn care technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.